Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix APK error when you see app not installed on your device. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to install any application using an APK downloaded from the internet, then this kind of issue might arise. And this is more often because the application or the APK file is corrupt. So in order to avoid this, make sure you use Google Play Store in order to install any application that you need. In case you don't find the application there, and there is no other option beside using the APK to install your application, then make sure that you are using a website which has a legitimate version of the application that is not corrupt. And once you do this, your application installation will complete as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix APK error when you see app not installed on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.